if you are in the market for a great impact wrench, you're absolutely going to love this one. So let's get started. So this is how it's going to come. I'm going to walk you through all these features right over here. So you're going to get the impact wrench itself. You're going to get a charger. You're going to get 2 batteries, which is absolutely awesome. Love that fact. You get the extension pole. You're going to get a 20mm pin 1, 22 mm, and a 25 mm. It comes in you get this instruction guide right over here, which walks you through everything you need to know. The best part is it comes in this awesome hard case right over here. Has a handle, super nice. If you want to put some stuff up in here, you have the option to do so as well. So what we're going to do here is you're just going to open this up just like this. And then this is what is actually inside. So you have the space for the drill right here. This is where the battery is. We have the charger here. We have our pieces right over here. These are really well made, super sturdy, which is really nice. And super great. So this is how this works right over here. So you're going to take one of the battery packs right over here. So this will not work at all if there is no battery on it. So you're just going to slide that on there. And then you have your back and forth right over here. So if you push this all the way in, so this button's all the way that way, it's going to go that way. If you put this the other way, it's going to go reverse. Like the fact that we have a light over here. So when we're pulling something in, we could see exactly. You don't need a flashlight or another light or anything like that, which is really nice. We could see over here what the battery situation is just by putting that like that. And we also have up here as well some options as well. This thing is super sturdy, very powerful. Really like this a lot. You'll see right over here the revolutions per minute is 2,500, then you have 2,900, and then 3,500 RPM right there. And the impacts per minute is 2,500, 2,900, and then 3,500 IPI. Super great. If you're looking for a great impact wrench, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.